Today I'm going to be reviewing Protmex cordless ratchet wrench. Comes with 2 batteries. Let's open up the box, see everything we get, and then let's try it and see how well it works. I'd like to first thank Protmex for sending this to me to review. I already like this. Look at this case right here. Just plastic, but nice. Everything in there that you need. Let's open it up. There is everything that you get in the box. I love that it has the 2 batteries in there. Always a problem not having enough power. The battery easily snaps in there. Just put it in, just slide it right there, and you're good to go. This 3/8-inch cordless ratchet wrench is driven by a 21-volt pure copper motor. It's going to give you 400 RPM variable speed. All right, here we go. We got the Protmex right here. 17mm socket, battery in place. I just have to tighten these a little bit on my weight bench. Just fits on there. There are extenders if you need it. And there you go, tightened up. So works really nicely. That's what it looks like. And to go reverse or forward, you just swing this around right here. I say I'm pretty happy with this. This does a really nice job. And I like the fact that it's got the batteries. And if you noticed here, it has a light. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.